Be happy and healthy until your wedding day. Eating 5 times per day in small portions. Avoid food with fat and sugar, like refined carbs, which include mostly sugar and processed grains. Also, avoid saturated fats like butter and substitute with extra virgin olive oil. Avoid too much salt on your diet and eat plenty of fruits and veggies. Eat daily, fresh made food with natural ingredients. Include plant and animal proteins according to your preference. Exercise to be great until your wedding day. Flex every day. Vary aerobics every week to lose weight. Add strength exercise to build your body. And your body will be radiant in and out the big day. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.